How y'all doing? I got this see-all sight I put on my American Tactical 410. I'm using 410 slugs. I'm gonna try to hit that jug of water right there. Already did one attempt, too far left and high. So let's try it again. Hang on. That's kind of a pain in the ass. I got it zoomed in a little bit. Sorry about the little shakiness there. I'm gonna go back. I really wanted to try this at 70, but it's taking me a little bit to get this sight shot in. Let's see what happens here. I got American Tactical slugs, American Tactical 410, AR-15. The reason I wanted this gun, because in Pennsylvania right now, you could shoot deer with a 410, with a shotgun semi-automatic. Why not this one? Let's see what happens. All right, I'm not sure if I'm in love with the sight yet. It was shooting high, and I'm not sure if I can get it down enough without seeing the screw. Without raising the sight. So I might just have to get a bigger riser. You can see how it works there. Put the delta in the middle, pull the trigger. But you see how high that screw is already right there. If I keep cranking it down, that screw keeps coming up, it's gonna be my vision. I'm not sending it back. I'm gonna use it. You gotta know what to buy with these. This one doesn't glow in the dark, I don't think. But I'm just wondering, is this gonna be viable for deer? Looks like I aimed a little too low to hit it. It looks like it's left. So I need to move it a little more right, I believe. Oh, nope, it's shooting to the right. So I need to move it to the left a little bit. This is a work in progress, I guess. I'll keep you posted. I really want that sight to work, because you could get it on target in a hurry. Let's go and take another close look at that sight. I really want this to work. I really want this to work. I think I have to do something and figure it out. All right. God bless. Terrible camera. I know. Bye.